When I try to launch my virtual OS, I get an error, not in hyperverse partition. So if you are also getting the same error, then this video is for you. So to solve this issue, first you need to make changes in your BIOS setting. So open your BIOS setting. So for that, let me restart my PC. So enter your BIOS key. In the BIOS menu, you can see the configuration. Scroll down and you will see virtual technology. You got that error because your virtual technology is disabled. So in order to solve this, you need to make it enable. After you enable the button, save it and your PC restarts. Now open VirtualBox. Now try to launch your Virtual OS. You can see my VirtualBox has started. So by this way you can solve your issue. Thank you for watching the video.